Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations. On the application of Hacoo, you will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about Hacoo app and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will wait a moment to restart or to turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Hacoo app like this, and then here if you find updates you can update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your